Tonality analysis of English newspapers, natural language processing, tonality, text analysis. Today I'm going to talk about my project, its relevance, goals, about diagrams, demo version of my project, experiments, and practical meaning of the project. About project. Project main goal is tonality analysis of English newspaper. The root problem is tonality text analysis. Software uses NLP methods for text preprocessing and recurrent neural network for tonality text classification. Relevance. More than 100 million United States adults read newspaper media each week. 58% of adults read the newspaper. And the project provides fast marketing research tools for business. Project goals. Reduce analysis time for English text. Derive accurate information about the tone of text. Reduce analysis time of any article in a particular English newspaper. Facilitate innovation. Sentiment assessment of events described in the article. Diagrams. Use case diagram. In this slide you can see one of the main scenarios of service. Here we have premium customer which has a premium subscription. He is able to enter text, proceed analysis, and import text from a text file. With working with simple text, he can choose tone analysis, entity recognition, or emotion analysis. Also, he is able to work with websites, where he must choose the website from the list and set a keyword for analysis. Then he proceed text analysis of each articles and receive results. Also, he can manage website list where he can add own websites. Next diagram is class diagram. Here you can see the following classes. Class guest, which means customer which is not authorized. Then customer class, which means authorized customer. Simple customer and premium customer has a simple and premium subscription. Here you can see also application class, which means class for each application that is in service. Then neural network class, which is neural network for each application in the service, and dataset class, which belongs to neural network training process. Also, there are website and HTML tag classes which are used in website list. Next diagram is sequence diagram. Here you can see one of the main scenarios when premium customer uses text sentiment analysis. First of all, we have guest, which tried to log in via Google. Then he becomes customer. Then he tried to subscribe, verify payment, and can proceed text analysis. First of all, he enters text. Then application analyze this text, and neural network classified it. Then neural network return results, and application described summary to premium customer. Next diagram is activity diagram. Here you can see main scenario of working with websites. First of all, customer must to log in and enter valid data. Then he can choose application like sentiment analysis, emotion recognition, or entity recognition, and then choose websites and launch analysis. Then application parsed each website, then gets text from it, and neural network classifies each text and return results to application. Then application then premium customer can see the results in application. Demo version. Now I completed main scenario of service. It's sentiment analysis. On the right you can see a text input field where customer can write the text and proceed analysis by pressing the analyze button. Below you can see small table which results with sentiment score, sentiment class and emotion. For now I released only sentiment score and sentiment class. Experiments. I experimented with different activation functions. On the left you can see accuracy, training and test accuracy of softmax activation function. On the top right you can see ReLU activation function, and right below you can see sigmoid activation functions. Experiments. Results analysis of experiments. The accuracy of the softmax function and sigmoid increase in the training sample. The accuracy of the sigmoid function is greatest and its losses are the least. The accuracy of the softmax function sigmoids decrease in the test sample, but the accuracy is not less than 80%. The accuracy of the relay function is much lower than the other two. Both is the best, and in the training sample, accuracy is also declining. Losses for softmax and sigmoid functions are similar. They decrease for the training samples and increase for the test sample, but only slightly. Practical meaning. Project will provide analysis of large amount of text. It might be used with other software. Project provides tonality analysis grouped by keywords. It predicts tone about event in specific newspaper, and it could proceed large amount of text from websites. Practical meaning mockups. Here you can see two of main scenarios of usage of the service. On the left, it's analyzing websites where user can choose single website or multiple websites, and results are displayed by the table that's shown below for each article and each newspaper. On the right, you can see analyze from text files, and it's similar to the websites. Summary. Project main goal is tonality analysis of English newspaper. Project must contain additional non-specialized functionality. Sigmoid function is the best option compared to ReLU and softmax. Thank you for your attention. Glory to Ukraine.